Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. For that we will have two ways for it. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot as well and you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you have also the chance to draw something inside here or to highlight something, or pretty nice at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or something like this. After you can share this edited part, or with the arrow you will send it to your gallery. There's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that you will need the edge of your palm. Just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Where to find the screenshots after? Of course, you're at the gallery. And here the pictures, they are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. This is why I recommend to you to always go to the albums, because the screenshots have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And maybe until next time. Ciao.